Good afternoon. My name is Sahil Kheda and my roll number is 2410994874. And now I am showing you my submission of 4.1p task of embedded system. In this video, I will give you an overview of my task. Firstly, the hardware setup of my Raspberry Pi with a LED and a breadboard, in which I have used the LED and which is connected to the power, as well as I have used the LED and breadboard as LED is connected to the GPU pin 5, which I have chosen as the output pin, and it is connected to a resistor. The other side of the LED is connected to the ground. Now for the software part, I have used two libraries like these libraries. The first one is to control the GPU IPs, and the second is to delay the time between the LEDs on and off. After that, I have set up the GPU pin mode to BCM, so I can refer to pins by their number, and then I can set up the pin 5 as the output pin. After that, the main part of this program is the while loop, which I have used. It's now clear. The main part is while loop. As in this loop, the LED is turned on by sending a high signal. Then the program waits for the 1 second. So after that, it sends a low signal to turn the LED off and wait for the another signal. This process repeats until I stop this program. After that, I have also add exceptional handler here. You can see, by which when I stop the program using Control C, it prints the message and reset the GPU pins using GPU cleanup. This is the cleanup function. So now I will show you the working of my project. For this, I will save this as Control O and enter, Control X. So here we will command Python 3. Now you can see that the LED is now blinking on and off. The loop will continue until I stop the program. So if I put Control C, it will stop.